everyone, welcome back. In today's video, let's talk about what are the new enhancements that happens inside Odoo 19.4 payroll module. So here I'm moving on to the expense module first of all because from Odoo 19.4 onwards, it's basically allow you to link salary rules with the expense category. So if I'm moving on to the configuration of the expense and there we have the expense product, and if I'm taking one of them, you can see an additional section is appeared actually which is called as payroll, and under there you can simply specify with any of the salary rules. Okay, by clicking on the option you will get a drop down menu and you can simply provide this as an expense reimbursement salary rule. You can also provide. Okay, so basically, using this feature, this makes it easier to connect payroll calculation with a specific type of employee expense. So let me give you an example. Like if you guys are just like if your company has a certain expense that need to be considered in the payroll, what you need to do from now onwards, you can now link the relevant expense category to a salary rule. Okay. So after onwards, you can simply hit the save button and it will be directly calculating once you guys are just moving on to the payslip section of each employees. Okay, so that's the first improvement. So this will be helping you to keep the configuration more organized and reduce the need to manage this relationship manually by moving on to each module, because now the expense and the payroll is linked with each other by providing this section. Okay, so that's the first enhancement that happens. Now let's talk about the second enhancement by moving on to the payroll itself. And if I'm moving on to the configuration under the employee type, there we have a significant change, which means an employee type by the company or branch. Okay, so it have an ability to restrict employee type based on the company or brands. Okay, so there you can see this is my employee type. There we have everything and there we have a lot of employees under there. So they we have a thing which means called company. From there onwards, you can do what? You can restrict the employee type based on the company or branches. So if I'm just simply clicking on this option, I can see a lot of company if I'm working under the multiple company basis and also the branches. Okay. So basically, if you guys are just working under multiple company, or the multiple branch basis, this will be very useful feature because one branch might use a specific employee type at a time, right? But with other branch may have completely different requirements. So to solve that particular problem with this improvement, you can now control which employee type are available for each company or branches. So you can simply select what is your branch and you can provide them. Okay, so that's the second thing. Now let's talk about the third, which means from now onwards you can simply provide multiple pay structure under a salary rule. So here I'm moving on to the rules, and if I'm just selecting any of the rule, which means a basic salary, there we have the pay structure. So from onwards, I can simply select multiple pay structure. So if I want the worker pay as well, I can provide them and I can hit the save button very easily. Okay. Okay, so there we have a unique structure, no problem. So using this feature, you can use or allow multiple pay structure under a salary rule. Okay, so that's how it works. Now let's talk about, there we have another thing also. Once you guys are just calculating the salary of your employee, so from onwards, the salary computation side is very small on the basis of the employee. Okay, so it will be showing a significant things only, like what are the basic or what is the important things only. So it is actually reduced by, or it is actually simplified in a very unique basis. So that's the basic Odoo 19.4 payroll updates. I hope you all understood this video. So if you like this video, please do subscribe, share with your friends. I'll be back with another video. Till that, bye bye.